Hello to the camera. Yeah, fishing a pot today. They say there's a cobia in the bay. Hopefully we're gonna catch something. Hopefully soon. Yeah, the tide's going out now. So yeah, the tide's going out. It's 20 past 1. So yeah, got mussel on the one and got mackerel on the other one. So hopefully, yeah, we're gonna catch something soon. Yeah, nothing so far. Yo. Yo, pause, reeling in 4, yo. You're reeling in 4. Is it? Yeah, I still have a long way. Okay, getting close now. We sure it's not a fish? I'm sure there's a fish on here. Alright, Paul, wait. Wait. Now? And now, Paul? There's a fish. Oh, you stuck? Hey, Paul. Huh? Bamboo. You sure? Paul's got a shark here. You got a shark on you. See there, wait, you see your reel spinning. I'm gonna tighten the drag, you see it? Yeah. See there, it's pulling drag. Oh, yeah. So I'll help you there. Ooh, flop. Ah, you caught a rockfish, Paul. Caught a rockfish.
A rockfish?
Yeah, a rockfish. That's a very strong one. Oh, come on. What is it? A strappie? Nah, we're taking it up. We're taking it up. Oh, flop that straight up. Eh? Yeah, we're gonna get something now. We're gonna get something now. Hey yo, nice, nice, nice. Okay, they're in the water. They're in the water. Nice, man. It's a start. They're coming, they're coming. They're getting bigger. Hey! Nice, man. Come on. Come on, oh, it's not on. It's on. What is that? Oh, is it a pufferfish? Oh, it's another. Oh, it's a freaking catfish. It's a catfish, yeah, so. Yo, I was excited, young. Flop it. At least I'm getting it in the mouth now. Probably is catfish in the water. This is not a good sign. Relax, bro. It's a catfish. Oh, that's the wrong pliers. You can eat it actually, but I prefer not to eat this. They eat this, I know, in like Durban and stuff.
So like, if you cook it wrong, you get like food poisoning.
You still have my bait. Yeah. Okay, pick up one. Something on? Oh. Hey, it's a copy. Hey, yo. What is it? I'm Nave. Oh, yo. Are you in the lead? Oh, it's a copy. It's a copy. It's a cop. It's a cop. Yeah, it's a small copy. Oh, lovely, man.
Right, let's go.
Okay.
Someone's gonna make
Yo, no, it's in his throat.
Huh?
It's in his throat.
Yeah, no,
Nah, nice man.
You went behind.
It's a bit undersized though.
Hey?
It's a bit undersized.
Very undersized.
But you're in the lead.
We take what
We take, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna come move to your side now. Nice man. See, it's like the red eye there in the dark. Oh flop! I think I'm getting bites there. Oh. Those catfishes, yo, through its lip. I'm definitely gonna try change spots now.